I've spent the last 3 months testing every major cooler release for 2026, from bear-proof beasts that keep ice frozen for over a week to eco-friendly innovations that are actually compostable, dragging them across beaches, baking them in desert heat, and even seeing which ones survive a fight with actual bears, because yes, some of these are IGBC certified and built to win. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best coolers of 2026, and what number 1 did to my week-long camping trip with 0 ice refills honestly made me question why I ever bought anything else, so let's chill out and dive in. Starting at number 1. YETI Roadie 48. Best cooler overall. From coolers to thermoses, YETI is known for its excellent insulation, and the YETI Roadie 48 lives up to the brand's reputation. With its all-around unbeatable performance, the Roadie is a cooler suitable for everything from gatherings to your next multi-day car camping trip. In contrast to the rotomolded design typical of many YETI coolers, the Roadie uses pressure-injected polyurethane for insulation, which helps keep it lighter. A built-in freezer gasket in the lid creates a tight seal that enhances cold retention, and in our testing, ice remained intact for 10 days. It took 11 days to reach 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the limit for safely storing food, and 12 days to reach 50 degrees, the ideal maximum temperature for chilled beer. Because of manufacturing limitations, non-rotomolded coolers are typically not made as a single piece, which creates seams that could weaken the structure over time. However, the Roadie features a one-piece construction free from these common weak spots, making it a more durable cooler built to handle tough conditions. Unlike any of the other coolers reviewed, the Roadie is wheeled, enabling maximum portability. The wheels are made as solid, single-piece units that are puncture-resistant. Number 2. XSpec 60 Cutie. Most durable and insulated. Though it doesn't have the brand recognition of YETI or RTIC, the XSpec 60 Cutie modestly impresses with its tough durability, excellent insulating abilities, and affordable price. The XSpec is rotomolded with 3 inches of insulation. It kept ice for over a week, finally taking 9 days for the ice to completely disappear. With its freezer-grade gasket, which creates a tight seal between the cooler body and lid, the internal temperature remained below 40 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 days and took 13 days to reach 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Though XSpec doesn't offer the wide range of accessories or color options that other brands do, the cooler is made with quality materials and designed to meet user needs. It has a built-in bottle opener that also functions as a lock plate for extra security. There's a compass pressed into its rim and a ruler engraved on the top of the lid, which has a textured surface that can also be used as a cutting board. Made with UV-protected, food-safe LLDPE, a type of plastic, the XSpec is resistant to punctures and damage. Its single-piece rotomolded design is seamless, enhancing its structural strength and ability to handle rough conditions. Number 3. YETI Tundra 65. Top pick for longer trips. Whether you're packing the car for a road trip or gearing up for a large group outing, the YETI Tundra 65 offers enough space to store all your food and drinks, along with top-tier insulation to keep them cold for over a week. In our testing, we found that the Tundra kept ice for 9 days, took 11 days to reach 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and 13 days to reach 50 degrees, making it one of the top performers in temperature retention. The cooler features a rotomolded design with 2 inches of insulation and a freezer-style gasket around the lid to trap in the cold and ensure a tight seal that prevents leaks. Its single-piece construction eliminates seams and enhances its rugged design, which is built to withstand the harshest conditions. It's the only cooler on our list certified bear-resistant by the IGBC, Interagency Grizzly Bear Committee, when used with an appropriate padlock. The Tundra has a 77 core capacity, and YETI offers the model in nearly a dozen different sizes. The cooler is marketed as 65 quarts, but we found its actual volume to be closer to 56 quarts, with a thick layer of insulation reducing some of its internal storage space. Still, as one of the largest coolers reviewed, the Tundra is more than capable of holding drinks and perishables for extended trips. Number 4. RTIC Ultralight 52. Lightest weight high-volume cooler. A large cooler can be a beast to haul from your car to the campsite, but the lightweight design of the RTIC Ultralight 52 makes it easy to carry alone without sacrificing space for everything you need to keep cool. The RTIC features an injection-molded insulation style, which helps reduce its weight, especially when compared to rotomolded coolers. When stacked against other high-volume coolers, we found the lighter frame and boxier shape of the Ultralight 52 easy to carry, even when fully packed. In addition to side handles molded into the cooler's body, RTIC offers sturdy nylon rope handles with rubber hand grips, providing a more flexible and comfortable carrying option. Able to hold up to 76 cans in upright 2-liter bottles, the RTIC Ultralight offers enough capacity for a long weekend trip or a mid-size group. The cooler features 3 inches of closed-cell foam insulation and an O-ring gasket that seals in cold air. In our testing, we found the Ultralight 52 retained ice for 7 days, took 8 days to reach 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and 10 days to reach 50 degrees. Number 5. RTIC Soft Pack Cooler. Best waterproof soft cooler. Whether you're floating a river, hanging out at the beach, or going for a forest picnic, the RTIC Soft Pack Cooler is light and portable, offering a sturdy, waterproof design with excellent temperature retention. The RTIC is a soft-shell cooler, but both its sturdy coated exterior and inner lining are resistant to tears and punctures. It also has a heavy-duty waterproof zipper that helps with cold retention and keeps water out, while also preventing leaks. Although the zipper provides an effective waterproof seal, we found it somewhat stiff and difficult to unzip, even after multiple uses. However, RTIC does include lubricant that makes the zipper somewhat easier to operate. With 1.5 inches of closed-cell foam insulation, the soft pack is well designed to keep items cold for a long weekend. In our testing, it took 4 days for ice to completely melt inside the soft pack and reach an internal temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while it took 5 days to reach 50 degrees. The thickness of the foam insulation slightly reduces the interior capacity of the cooler, but the RTIC still holds 30 cans and is large enough for an all-day outing or the cold essentials for a weekend trip. Now you know which cooler deserves a spot on your next adventure, whether it's the rotomolded beast with 10-day ice retention, the wheeled workhorse for sandy beaches, the budget hero under $100, or the eco-friendly innovator, and all the links are in the description with the best 2026 prices, so grab yours before summer sells them out. If this guide saved your trip, smash like, share it with your friend who still brings styrofoam to barbecues, and subscribe. We're testing portable camping gear next week. Want to know which camping stove boils water faster than your kitchen kettle? Click the video right here. Your camp meals will thank me.